Birds are among the most diverse and captivating creatures on Earth, with over 10,000 different species spread across almost every corner of the globe. They have fascinated humans for centuries, appearing in myths, art, and literature as symbols of freedom, power, and grace. From the bustling urban parks filled with chirping sparrows and bold pigeons to the dense rainforests echoing with the exotic calls of parrots and toucans, birds are an integral part of our natural world. One of the most striking aspects of birds is their unique adaptation for flight. With lightweight, hollow bones and powerful wings, many bird species are capable of flying great distances. Take, for instance, the albatross, known for its astonishing wingspan that can exceed 11 feet, and its ability to glide effortlessly for hundreds of miles over open ocean without a single flap. Or consider the Arctic tern, a true champion of endurance, which migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, a round trip of up to 25,000 miles. But not all birds take to the skies. Some, like the ostrich and the emu, have evolved to thrive on the ground. The ostrich, the largest bird in the world, stands tall at up to 9 feet and can run at speeds reaching 45 miles per hour. Then there's the penguin, adapted for life in frigid climates, whose wings have evolved into flippers, enabling them to become expert swimmers in pursuit of fish and krill beneath the icy waters of the Antarctic. Birds are also renowned for their incredible diversity in color and plumage. The vibrant peacock, with its iridescent tail feathers that fan out in an impressive display, is an iconic example of how birds use their feathers not just for flight, but also for communication and mating. In contrast, birds like the snowy owl sport understated yet effective camouflage, blending seamlessly into their winter surroundings to hunt more effectively. Birdsong is another remarkable feature that sets birds apart from many other creatures. The melodic tunes of the nightingale, for example, have inspired poets and musicians alike with their intricate and powerful sounds. Birds use their songs and calls for a variety of reasons, from marking territory to attracting mates or even warning others of nearby predators. Some species, such as the lyrebird, are exceptional mimics, capable of imitating not only other bird songs but also human-made sounds like camera shutters and car alarms with uncanny accuracy. The diets of birds are as varied as their habitats. While some, like hawks and eagles, are skilled hunters with keen eyesight designed for spotting prey from great heights, others, like the hummingbird, rely on a delicate diet of nectar, flitting from flower to flower with remarkable agility. Waterfowl, such as ducks and swans, have adapted to life on lakes and rivers, using their specially shaped beaks to filter food from the water, while shorebirds like sandpipers scour beaches and mudflats for tiny invertebrates. Birds also play crucial ecological roles. As pollinators, certain birds contribute to the reproduction of flowering plants, much like bees. The sunbird and the hummingbird are vital in this regard, ensuring that numerous plant species continue to thrive. Additionally, birds like vultures serve as nature's cleanup crew, consuming carrion and helping prevent the spread of disease. Their intelligence is another notable trait. Crows and ravens, for instance, are renowned for their problem-solving abilities and have been observed using tools to obtain food. Parrots, particularly the African gray parrot, have demonstrated the ability to mimic human speech and understand complex concepts, making them popular yet highly demanding pets. Despite their resilience and adaptability, many bird species face significant threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide to protect these feathered wonders, from breeding programs for endangered species like the California condor to international agreements that safeguard migratory routes. In conclusion, birds are more than just background figures in our everyday lives. They are vital, awe-inspiring beings that contribute to the beauty and balance of nature. Whether it's the sight of a red-tailed hawk gliding gracefully above a forest canopy or the cheerful chatter of finches on a summer morning, birds enrich our world in countless ways. They invite us to look up, listen closely, and appreciate the wonders that share our skies and spaces. The brave Adelie leads the chicks to the sea. Emperor Cam watches as they take this vital step, their journey just beginning.